We've kind of trademarked an approach. We call it the Modus Approach, which is really a play on words. Modus is just Latin for methodology. So we have a methodology approach. Pretty smart, we thought. So our Modus Approach is really built around the customer. The most important thing that we can do is get an accurate understanding of requirements. And the reason we love the understanding of requirements phase is because even though the customer thinks they know what they want, the reality is in many cases they don't know what they want. So we kind of go through this an assessment process, and we can ask many different questions about what it is they want to do now, and then we kind of put the dream hat on and say, what are you expecting 5, 10, 15 years down the road from now? How do you expect to be doing work 10, 15 years down the road from now? So that this building where we're putting this infrastructure in, by necessity, we have to design it for today because we live in today, but technology evolves very quickly, so we have to give as many bells and whistles as we can to make sure that it will support what people want to do 15, 25 years from now. From that, we're able to develop a design requirement, so we document for our technical team what the design requirements are. Then we create a plan, it's called the design plan, and from the design plan, our project management people are able to keep a project on track because it's got goals and dates in it and milestones that have to be accomplished. And then while they're doing those 3 documents, we have another document called the questions matrix. Because everybody, when they're working, always gets this aha moment. I wonder how they want to do this. I wonder how they want to do that. So we capture that. And so the customer is actually on our project team. We take them out of their world, bring them onto our team. They get to learn what our methodology is, and they're involved through every step of the process. And the more that we can do things through simple questions, the better the result gets for the customer. And because we do so many of these projects, we're able to bring that experience forward with the questions that we ask the customer. From there, it follows into a process where we do designs, we do the drawings, we write the specifications, there's formal checks and balances with the customer, and then there's the process where we go out to find contractors who are actually going to do the work. It's one point of contact. We're there from the very first piece of construction or installation right through to the very end. We're over their shoulders. We verify the testing, we verify the commissioning, we make sure all the warranties are in place for the customer. So the customer can focus on their business because that is their business. It's really unfair to expect an IT manager to understand the construction side of installing cables. It's really unfair to expect the facilities people to understand the applications that are going to run on this. So we're that bridge between both sides in an organization.